Ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth so fast while others struggle for years? It's not luck, and it's not magic. There's a secret formula that the rich use to multiply their money at lightning speed, and today, I'm breaking it all down for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making strategies every week. Secret 1. High-income skills. The one secret to building wealth fast is learning high-income skills. Think about this. If your income is capped at $15 or $20 an hour, no matter how hard you work, your wealth grows slowly. But if you master a skill that pays $100, $500, or even $1,000 per hour, your income grows exponentially. Examples of high-income skills: digital marketing, for example, Facebook, Google Ads, SEO, AI, and automation, for example, building AI chatbots, automation tools. Investing and trading, for example, stocks, crypto, real estate. Comment below. What high-income skill are you working on right now? Secret 2. Multiple streams of income. The second secret is multiple streams of income. The average millionaire has at least 7 sources of income. You can't rely on just one paycheck if you want to build wealth fast. You need to diversify. Examples of income streams: active income, your main job or business side hustles; freelancing, YouTube, consulting, investments; stocks, real estate, crypto, passive income, royalties, courses, affiliate marketing; e-commerce, selling products on Amazon, Shopify. Start by adding just one new stream this month. Maybe it's a small side hustle or an online business. Just take action. Secret 3. The power of leverage. The secret that the wealthy understand is leverage, using other people's time, money, and technology to scale fast. If you're only relying on yourself, you're working too hard. 3 types of leverage. People. Build a team, hire freelancers, outsource work. Money. Use good debt to invest in assets, real estate, business growth. Technology. Automate income with AI, social media, or digital products. Think of Jeff Bezos. He didn't pack Amazon orders himself. He built a system. You need to start thinking like a CEO. Secret 4. Mindset shift. Think like the wealthy. The final and most important secret? Mindset. Wealth is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. If you believe making money is hard or impossible, you'll always stay broke. But the rich know that money flows where opportunity and confidence meet. Wealth mindset. Hacks. Stop trading time for money. Focus on scalable income. Surround yourself with successful people. Network and learn. Read books and invest in knowledge. Your brain is your biggest asset. Now you know the secrets: high-income skills, multiple income streams, leverage, and the right mindset. If you apply even one of these, your financial life will change fast. Subscribe for weekly wealth-building strategies. Comment below. Which secret are you going to apply first?